Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really love my cute ceramic spoon rest, but it's not always practical. This awesome silicone spoon rest from Golener is even more practical to help me in the kitchen and even outside when I'm grilling. This spoon rest is a nice rectangle shape. It has plenty of room on it and everything stays put once you place the spoons and utensils on there. It has holders at the bottom that hold them in place and keep them separate, but also it includes a space for your biggest spoon. I really love that this is heat resistant, so I could place it right on my stove, or I can place it right in my grill area and not have to worry about it melting. The spoons and everything that gets placed on here stays in place, and it's really easy to wash even if I get a lot of food and different stuff on it. This spoon rest stays in place also thanks to that silicone, so it stays put on your counter, it doesn't slide around, making cooking and doing things in your kitchen even easier. Let's face it, we're all super busy. We need things that help us to really have a good time doing our tasks, enjoy our cooking, and keep everything nice and simple. You can with this awesome spoon rest, but that's just my point of view.